Hi children, welcome to my YouTube channel SRK Maths Concepts. Today we will learn example problems of exercise 8.4 before problems. First one, example 13. Page number 192. Same. Prove that secant A, what given? Prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. Secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. Secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. Take LHS. Secant A means what? 1 by cos A. 1 minus sin A, leave like that only. Now secant A 1 by cos A plus tan A. Tan A formula what? Sin A by cos A. Remember what formulas I am using here? Secant A means 1 by cos A. That is one formula used here. And one more what? Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. These two formulas are used in this problem. Now 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A into LCM cos A take, numerators add means 1 plus sin A. Now same, here nothing is there 1. So total denominators multiply means cos A into 1 into cos A, cos square A. Numerators multiply A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. So 1 minus sin square A. You know that just now on identity completed, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to what? 1. From this, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. This also copy. Same, cos square A means what? 1 minus sin square A. Here what is there for you? 1 minus sin square A is there. That's why take cos square A by cos square A is equal to 1. Okay. What are the formulas required? That all I kept here. That also you should practice. Example 14. Prove that cot A minus cos A, cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A, cot A plus cos A equals to cos A is equal to cosecant A minus 1, cosecant A minus 1 by cosecant A plus 1. So problem given in terms of cot, answer asking in terms of cosecant. Take LHS. Cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A. Now, cot means what? Cos A by sin A minus 1 cot. Cos A by sin A plus 1. Now, cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A. Cot means what? Cos A by sin A minus, here what is there? Cos A. Here cos A. That cos A common take from numerator. Cos A common means what? What left here? 1. 1 by sin A minus 1 by cos A common taken means 1 by sin A plus 1. Cos A and cos A cancel. 1 by sin cosecant A minus 1 by sin cosecant A plus 1. So what formula is here? 1 by sin means what? Cosecant A. Similarly, cot A means what? Cos A by sin. So these two formulas are used here. Before problem, tan A means sin by cos. This problem, cot means what? Cos by sin. Same next problem. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equals to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. So question is in terms of sin and cos, answer is in terms of secant and tan. This one what? Theta. For this problem, take LHS. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Divide numerator and denominator with cos theta. Divide numerator and denominator with cos theta. So here see, sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. The same way, denominator also divide sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. See, cos cancel, here also cancel. Sin by cos, tan theta, here one take minus 1 plus 1 by cos secant theta by sin by cos tan theta, take 1 here plus 1 minus 1 by cos theta means what? Secant theta. This thing left. Now, tan theta plus secant theta, here what left? Minus 1 is there, denominator same, right? Tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Here what left? This one you have to write. Before what you learn? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. From here 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Identity. Second identity formula I am using here. So 1 means what you can write? Secant square minus tan square. That means what? Secant plus tan into secant minus tan. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Right here. In place of 1 what I am writing? Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Now, see my secant theta plus tan theta is there here. Secant theta plus tan theta is there. Just imagine a small one here. This one common take. After you note down. Now, sigma secant plus tan common taken means secant theta plus tan theta common take. What left here? 1 minus secant theta. See, minus secant theta, minus into minus, plus tan theta by tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Same, just in place of this minus 1, minus here, 1 is there, 1 means secant square minus tan square. That means secant plus tan into secant minus tan. That I kept here. Secant plus tan common taken. Here everything gone is only 1 left. 1 minus secant theta minus in minus plus tan theta. This thing totally common take. Minus secant plus tan. Denominator same copy. See. Plus tan plus 1 minus secant. These two are same, cancel. What left for you? Secant theta plus tan theta. But what to prove? RHS part what given? 1 by secant theta minus tan theta have to prove. Okay. You got this one, but they asked you to prove 1 by secant minus tan. See, after getting this, secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta by secant theta minus tan theta. Just multiply secant minus tan, divide secant minus tan. Now a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square by secant theta minus tan theta. This value how much? Secant square minus tan square. 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Same here, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 is equal to what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. See, secant square minus tan square is there. What you can write? 1. 1 by secant minus tan theta. From 6. Now we will discuss one more example problem. Example 12, page number 191. Express the ratios of cos A, tan A and secant A. Cos A, tan A and secant A in terms of sin A. So everything they asked to calculate in terms of sin A. See here. Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to how much? 1 from first identity. From here, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sin square A. So cos formula you want in terms of sin means cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sin square A. Now tan A. Tan A terms of sin means, see, tan A is equal to, for that what to write? 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A, second identity. From this, tan square A is equal to secant square A minus 1. Tan A is equal to root of secant square A minus 1. From here, secant means what? 1 by cos square A minus 1. Secant means what? 1 by cos square A minus 1. That is equal to root of 1 minus cos square A by cos square A. Root separate, these two cancel. So root of 1 minus cos square A by cos A. Root of 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A means what? 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A by cos A. Root of 1 minus sin square A. That is equal to root of 1 minus 1 plus sin square A by root of 1 minus sin square A. Minus plus cancel, square and root cancel. What left? Sin A by root of 1 minus sin square A. So, cos A formula in terms of sin, tan A formula in terms of sin. RHS said always only sin should require. Like that they asked. Next, secant A. secant A means what? 1 by cos A. Cos A means what? 1 by root of, see, cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sin square. Completed. Okay, secant A means 1 by cos A. Cos A already derived here, root of 1 minus sin square A. That you write here. With this, example 12 completed. Thank you, children.